Hello everyone, in today's video we will be discussing IPMAT Indore form filling process, right? Indore IPMAT forms is out and how to fill it. In this video we will be having a step-by-step guide of actually how to fill it. There are two steps to it. First, you should go to the website, go to Google, right? And search IPMAT Indore application form. When you will search this, tap on this admissions link. Scroll it down and you will see online registration to get user ID and password for new applicants, right? Firstly, you need to get your user ID and password. There will be a small registration process. After that, with those login credentials, you can fill the further form. So, you will tap on this link. So, let it load and it's done. You will see a pop-up window like this. Use mouse to move between the fields instead of using tab key, right? Fields marked with this sign are mandatory. Candidate has to fill below the fill in below the mentioned details to receive the user ID and password. Basic generic information. Just close it. Okay, this also understand, right? Candidate name will be captured to verify documents uploaded. Basically, your name should match in all the documents which you are uploading. Name should be same, right? Okay, date of birth. Basically, whatever information you upload, it should be coherent across the documents. That is the key point here. Say I agree. Now, again, those mandatory basic details. Now in this registration form, write your name here, select the gender, right? There are three categories. Okay, this is also category of like general, NC, OBC, other categories, select accordingly. Okay, and PWD, date of birth, email address, nationality, country of residence, mobile number. Remember, please put the correct mobile number and the mobile number which you will keep active for longer duration. It should not happen like that validity has expired and you are just using it as a WhatsApp number. Please enter the active number. Okay, so moving ahead, when you will enter all this and tap I agree and re-verify. When you tap re-verify, it will again show a pop-up of the details which you have filled. You will recheck them, re-verify, and after you are done with this process, you will receive an email. Coming back to our presentation. Okay. Like you will fill the registration details here, do this, and yeah, after you re-verify and submit finally, you will receive a pop-up. Registered, it says registered successfully. You will get your registration number and you should remember this for future reference. Also, you will get an email on your email ID and SMS on the registered active mobile number in which incoming message is on. Basically, it is valid, right? Validity is not expired. Okay. Moving ahead, you will also receive an email with an IPM administrator as the main heading, right? And inside you will see IPMAT and IIM Indore IPMAT 2026 application form registration. So this will be the title of the email that you will receive. Moving further, now when you will actually log in from the details which you get in the email, right? Where to log in? You will directly get a login pop-up after the registration if you are doing it in one go, or else you have to basically use the details which you get in your email or SMS to tap after tapping on the second link, right? Log in to fill, edit, view, submit and download other, basically all the further process. Tap here. It is for applicants who are already registered. Application number, user ID from the email, password from the email, tap in here, log in. So after this, what happens is that you will see a page like this. We have already done it, so we are showing you. You will get a page like this where like general details, date of birth and all the details which you filled during registration, those are already picked up here, and the remaining details, right? Correspondence, address, basically your address, your alternate mobile number, pin code. Okay, these details are there. After filling these details, there will be a section for upload documents. What are the documents required? Basically, scanned copy of passport size photograph and signature. Your passport size picture and your signature. Make sure that your photo is recent, right? It is not very old, like 5 to 6 years back. It should not like be happening like that. Okay. Also, they are also saying, right, please upload your recent passport size photograph. It should not be more than 6 months old, and other details like maximum file size should be 80 KB. Read all these details and make sure whatever documents you are uploading, they are not inconsistent with these details and criteria mentioned. Okay, scanned copy of valid ID proof. Valid ID proof, you may be using, there are multiple valid ID proofs, right? Generally people use Aadhaar card. So if you are using Aadhaar card, upload it here and make sure you view it again. In our system, laptop, if you are uploading from laptop, there are multiple files. In a rush, you may upload a different file and you will be like, okay, I uploaded. But make sure you check it again. It's the same thing which you intended to upload. View photo, view signature, view your valid ID proof. After that, okay. And also they are saying same, the ID proof which you upload here, na, same ID proof you have to carry while you are going for your interviews, your exam, every further activity associated with IPMAT. Okay. Yeah, they are also, okay, this is like to understand what kind of photo and signature pictures actually work. Basically, they have created a PDF in which they are telling what are the sample photos, how you should take pictures and upload in this section. You hit save and next. So that was about the standard 10th details. Now moving ahead, also make sure, okay, remember it will give you an alert like this, right? Please refer to the admission procedure of IPMAT 2026. This is available on the website and it will tell you guidelines like which you should follow while filling the form, basic general things. Tap OK here and move ahead. Okay, now coming to 12th standard details. Okay, yeah, here will be 12th standard details. And in 10th also you will see they will ask you board and all. So you fill accordingly what your board is, school name and percentage. Okay. Now, coming to 12th standard details, we will see the same interface. No major change. There are two things which are different. First is, have you completed it or not? If you have completed, say yes. If no, then no. If you select yes, it will ask you one another thing, which is stream and discipline. Basically, commerce, science, and multiple combinations like that. Here, you upload the mark sheet as usual and hit save and next. And remember, this pop-up will again come here also. Now, if you move ahead, you will see center preference, and these center preferences are of two things. First is exam center city preference. Okay, there are 5 options here. Fill accordingly and make sure the exam will happen in May, right? So fill accordingly, like during that time, if you are moving, right, where will you be most closest? Fill accordingly. And same for the personal interview preference. Fill accordingly. Now, hit save and next. Now you will arrive at the payment page. In the payment page, you will see your name, gender, category and the pricing. The pricing for this category which I filled up is 4,130 rupees. Okay, GST included 18%. Coming ahead, tap I agree and do not press submit, press preview. Preview it well that you have not made any mistake, and after verifying thoroughly, now you tap submit. After you tap submit, you will be landed to the payment page. And in the payment page, there are multiple options for our ease so that we can submit the 4,000 rupees. Okay, credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI QR also is there. Most convenient. Just open your UPI app, scan the QR code. Remember, if the network is not fine, okay, UPI payments, they do like, okay, processing and then failed. Money will come back in 4 to 7 days. To avoid all these hassles, make sure you are connected to a proper net or Wi-Fi. If it's erratic, wait. Or why am I saying? The time is also 4 minutes, right? Around 5 minutes for this confirmation. So make sure you have a proper net connection. Then you can do the payment and it's done. So that was about this video of form filling. And if you are preparing for IPMAT, do check out a 10+ free mocks for IPMAT. Just Google search crack you IPMAT mock test. Also, we have our amazing free question bank resource which has around 2000 plus practice question for your multiple rounds of targeted practice. That was about this video. Let me know in comments if you have any doubts and subscribe us for more content like this.